The Mark of Zorro is widely recognized as one of the silver screen's first great swashbucklers. It was also the first time moviegoers met Zorro, and they loved The Masked Avenger. The film was a smash hit, propelling star Douglas Fairbanks to superstardom. 20 years after the movie, Zorro returned to the screen when 20th Century Fox remade the film, starring Tyrone Power in the title role. In 1957, Walt Disney Studios launched a Zorro TV series. Go forward another 25 years to 1981, and George Hamilton gave the Zorro story a twist of comedy with Zorro the Gay Blade. Most recently, Antonio Banderas has played Zorro twice in The Mask of Zorro from 1998 and again 7 years later in a sequel. Coming up, Juliette Binoche stars in a critically lauded French film written, produced, and directed by an acclaimed Polish filmmaker. It's this week's edition of the TCM Import.
Tonight on TCM Imports, Krzysztof Kieślowski's tricolor trilogy begins with Liberty in blue. Then equality is explored throughout white, and Fraternity completes a trio of revolutionary ideas in red. Turner Classic